Namaste, I'm Krishna Chaitanya Mandela, your EV bro. A new company from India, Kubera Motors, recently launched a no license, no registration electric scooter named as Kubera Royal. So it is actually a budget-friendly electric scooter priced just 65,000 rupees, offers 80 kilometers of range, and it also comes with smart features as well. So how is the electric scooter and how is the performance? I'm going to do complete tested review on this video. So watch this video fully. So this is the cheapest electric scooters from Kubera Motors. The price just 65,000 rupees, the Kubera Motors Royal electric scooter. But if you look at the design of this electric scooter, similar to the Ampere Magna CX, one of the hit models in the electric two-wheeler industry. But here this model is actually a no license, no registration electric scooter. In terms of budget point of view, they are offering a lead acid battery pack. But if customers need fast charging, they are offering a lithium-ion battery pack variant also. The same scooter, based on the customer budget and charging time, they are offering two variants in the battery pack segment. Now let us see the design of the scooter. So completely the front portion obviously resembles the Ampere Magna CX. Starting from the main headlamp, it is actually comes with LED headlights, and the turn light indicators are actually yellow lights. But the build quality, if you feel, it's an average kind of build quality they are offering. So in the price segment, not too much you can expect. And the lower part, you can see the fiber plastic element, the mudguard, and the telescopic suspension at the front side, whereas the disc braking, the tire size is 10-inch tubeless tire, but they are using a branded TVS company tires here, and the disc brake along with telescopic suspension. So at this price point of electric scooter segment, very rare to see disc braking for an electric scooter. Now coming to the flat footboard space, the footboard space is ample amount so that you can keep some of the luggage or belongings here, and the ground clearance for this electric scooter is 170 millimeters. So that's a good ground clearance based on your journey point of view and also the price perspective. Now this is the foot pegs here. You just need to unlock this. This is how you need to keep. So the rear point of the pillion rider can use these foot pegs to keep their legs. And now if you look at the battery compartment, this is the battery compartment down here. So the battery pack used in this scooter, actually their company is offering two variants, which is the lead acid battery pack and the lithium-ion battery pack variant. For the lead acid battery pack, 60 volt 30Ah, and the lithium also same 60 volt 30Ah they are using. But the range on a full charge, you will get 90 kilometers for the lithium-ion variant, whereas 80 kilometers for the lead acid battery pack variant. So that's the battery pack here. So this is where the battery pack lies in. If you go to the rear side, there is a plastic compartment which is a protection element just to keep away the mud and dust. And the rear point, this is where the motor is located. The rear side you will get again 10-inch tubeless tires, whereas suspension wise they are using dual spring suspension for a comfortable ride experience at the rear side. And the motor they are using 250 watt hub motor, and this motor offers up to 27 km per hour top speed. That's what the top speed we have tested on the scooter. And at the rear side you will get a drum braking system, not a disc brake. If you closely observe, this is the drum brake they are using. So let's move to the rear side. This is the grab rail, strong grab rail they are offering. Most of the scooters in the market offering the same kind of strength. In the same way, the Kubera Motors also offering a strong grab rail at the rear side, and the turn indicators, the yellow lights here. But what I personally like about the rear side, it's about the quality of the mudguard. So most of the times when the rear passenger may hit the mudguard, and usually the mudguards may damage, but they are using some quality mudguards at the rear side. Again, this side also the same plastic element they have used just to protect the mud, just to protect the motor and the remaining parts from the mud. So that's how the plastic compartment they are using here. Now the scooter comes with both center stand and side stand. So it is not an accessory. Actually some scooters companies offering the center stand as an accessory, but they are offering the side stand and sensor. And the side stand actually comes with the sensor. The scooter will not move without if the side stand is on. It is a kind of safety feature. So this is the seating compartment for the scooter. So 2 feet, more than 2 feet kind of seat. Let me open the compartment for you. You need to press the key to the anti-clockwise. Then this is how the boot space looks like. My prediction is up to 12 to 15 liters of boot space. So you cannot keep a helmet here, but you can carry your charger, a water bottle, some of small bags and a little amount of groceries as well. So that's the boot space point of view. Now you will get an MCB as well. In case if you not use the electric scooter for a long time, you better keep the MCB in off mode. Once you came back, then you can keep the MCB in the on position. These are the switches for the LED lights and the horn switch, turn indicator switches, digital instrument cluster, the turn indicator low beam and high beam intensity switches, power button, mode switches 1, 2, 3. The third mode, it will go to the maximum 27 speed. Direct and reverse. The scooter comes with reverse mode option. That is the button, the direct and reverse button. So this is the key for the scooter. It comes with a normal key and also the remote key features as well. You can use the scooter directly using the key, or else by remotely also you can operate the scooter. How to operate I will show you in a minute. And down here you can see a hook here, so you can carry some of the luggage. And this is the charging socket. So the charging time for this electric scooter for lead acid battery pack variant is 6 to 8 hours. For lithium ion battery pack variant, it is 4 hours of charging time. Now let me on the scooter. Just turn the key to the right side. So the details can be, you can see the parking mode, the battery percentage indicator, trip meter reading, odometer reading, modes 1, 2, 3 modes, and also reverse mode. Actually we shot the same digital instrument cluster at night time also for better visibility. You can have a look at that video as well. So good part about they are using a digital speedometer where you can see the percentage of the battery percentage in numbers. And one more useful feature for this electric scooter, it does comes with remote key options. Right now the scooter is in the off position, but by pressing the middle button twice, you can on the scooter. See the scooter on now. In the same way, there is an anti-theft alarm as well. You need to unlock the button first and lock the button if someone try to move the scooter. The scooter will produce an alarm sound. That's how you can identify the scooter. These features are handy for you. Now let me press the unlock button so that you can go for a ride. So now let's go for a test ride on this budget friendly electric scooter and let's see the performance of it. So let's check the digital speedometer of Kubera Motors Royal electric scooter. You can see this is the details, the speedometer reading and the odometer reading, and also the trip meter reading, and also the battery percentage bars, and also it mentioned in the percentage as well. If you toggle the modes, it will show the modes as well. Right now it is 1, now it is shifted to 2, and this is third mode. And you have a reverse mode option as well. If you press the reverse mode, it will show as R button. These are the modes. And also let me show you the turn light indicator, how it shows. This is how the turn light switches will show. And now let's check the lighting of the scooter. So this is actually dim lighting. Now let me show you the full lights. This is the full lighting switch, and also this low beam switch, and this is the high beam, more intensity light. This is the long wavelength, and this is the short wavelength. Let me keep the scooter in stand and let me show you the complete lighting. This is how the rear lighting looks like, and this is how the front lighting looks like. So LED light, more focus. Let me go to the backwards. I go up to like 100 meters, 120 meters, but still the light is clearly visible. So lighting wise it is okay. Night time visibility is pretty fine. And let me show you the turn light, how it looks as well. So before we go for a test ride on the Royal electric scooter, let me show you some of the important features, how to on the scooter and also how to use the reverse mode. Just keep the key and turn to the right side, then the scooter will be in the on position, but initially it will be in the parking mode. So you need to press this power button once, then it will take 2 to 3 seconds, then it will be in the ready mode. You can good to go for a ride. But if you want to use the reverse mode, you need to press the R button here, then the scooter will move to the reverse mode. In the reverse mode, the scooter is going with the max speed of 5 km per hour, so no need to worry about that. Now let's go for a test ride and let's see the pickup levels comfort levels and also the stability of the vehicle. I'm riding this scooter in the first mode. The maximum speed I reached 27. I shifted to second mode now. Even in the second mode, the same 27 km/h. Let me toggle to the third mode. So the same 27 speed. So I didn't see much speed difference in the three modes. The top speed of this scooter is 27 km/h and the acceleration weight slightly difference in the first 1, 2 and 3 modes. Slightly in the third mode you'll get better acceleration. But you cannot expect it's that much fast acceleration because the speed itself is top speed is 27 km/h. Now let's talk about the comfort of the scooter. Actually the seating position is good. But however, the seat seems to be too much soft. Maybe they can make it a little bit hard so that for a long ride point of view, the user can feel better comfort. It is also fine, but for long range perspective, I am talking here. And the other important thing is about the braking. Let me show you the braking for this. This is the disc brake action. The drum brake action. So similar in the safety point of view, same both disc and drum are playing the same crucial role. But drum brake action takes some time, but actually the action is there. But to stop the scooter, it taking 1 to 2 seconds extra. The disc brake action is immediate. Time right now it's almost like 12:45 p.m. in the afternoon. So in the afternoon point of view, if there is sunlight, too much sunlight, you cannot see the dashboard clearly. But in the shadow point of view, you can see the dashboard very clearly. So suspension point of view, I feel like the telescope suspension action can be improved a little bit. But moreover, it's a new electric scooter, right? So maybe the moment you start riding, maybe you can feel a little more comfort. And the controlling is quite easy. Anybody can control the scooter as this is a lightweight scooter, right? Short rider or medium height rider, anybody can easily handle it, very lightweight. If coming to the range of the scooter, we already tested this electric scooter for 4 days. Whatever they said, right, the 70-80 km range you will definitely get, especially because the speed itself is 25. You will get this range anyway. Let me check this in pothole and speed breaker point of view. You can see, right, there is not much difference even if you're riding in potholes or speed breaker point of view. So whatever the ground clearance, it actually looking fine. It's justifying for that price factor point of view. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.
But if I lay down and I play dead